Folks, today we're going to talk about innovative data stocks that are breaking out. If you look at the world, you will quickly recognize that data is almost driving everything. When Jeff Bezos was asked what his biz was really about when he first started Amazon, and everyone thought it was an online book retailer, Jeff Bezos would explain that the company's focus is on data collection. If you can have the right data, and if you know what to do with it, you can understand basic human behavior on a mass scale. And that information can be used to figure out what people want based on how they live their life. This is one of the reasons why Amazon has been able to grow so much and penetrate so many different sectors and industries, all from the same company. Data is now being created at an exponential rate. Text messages, direct messages, photos, comments, shopping habits. It's all based on data. Now imagine having a computer program that tracks millions of data points and generates billions of pieces of information. As humans, we could never organize that into anything substantive, but that's where data stocks come in. These companies can help make sense of the unintelligible. They can connect the dots when there is seemingly no correlation at all. Best of all, this dot connection creates wealth of information helping to drive sales, profits, and most of all, efficiencies. And that's why today I want to look at two data stocks that appear to be making some strong momentum moves that I wouldn't rule out over the next few months, especially in light of the smaller stocks heating up after the election as we predicted they would over the past several months. The first data stock I want to look at is invitae. It's spelled invitae, so it may be invitae or something. I don't know. Ticker symbol is NVTA. The company focuses on medical information systems. Invitae, or whatever it is, corporation is engaged in genetic diagnostics for hereditary disorders. That's huge, including breast, colon, pancreatic cancer. Imagine all of these diseases that are heredity related. It's huge, genetics. It operates primarily in the United States and Israel. Israel is doing a lot of work with DNA, by the way. The company is carving out its role in the genomics business. The company is leveraging machine learning and big data to help its healthcare fight. 5-year return, almost 300%. 5-year revenue growth, 13,451%. 5-year earnings growth, almost 100%. Technically, the stock is gaining strength and belongs to the Russell 2000, which is set to lead over the next few months due to the potential change in the trade war policy with Biden taking office. The next stock on my data list is mongodb, ticker symbol MDB. It's got a weird name, right? MongoDB. It provides general purpose database platform. That company belongs to the prepackaged software sector. Consensus estimates call for sales growth of 31% this year and 28% higher next year. That's a booming business. With various businesses spanning the software and cloud industries, MongoDB is in the right place for secular growth. As data continues to grow exponentially and becomes more complex, large companies will become increasingly dependent on firms like MongoDB. Folks, think about this. 5G, social media, artificial intelligence, e-commerce, and increasing use of technology will continue to drive data. And MongoDB and other data stocks on this list should continue to see solid growth for years to come. 3-year return, 735% plus. The stock has a upside target of $320, which I believe is about $50, $60 above its current price. It's got 7 strong buy recommendations, making it an attractive buy at the current price levels. Check out MongoDB. Talk soon. Folks, it just came to our attention that another stock has passed the alpha line. Shouldn't be a surprise. It's a secret indicator that only identifies trades with enough power to potentially score your triple-digit gains in 24 hours. Now, we've been able to make past returns like 179.17% from Wayfair, 1,246% from Domino's. That's a pizza place, okay? Not Amazon, Domino's. And 2,422% from Fastly. Man, this is exciting. Wall Street expert Adam Sarhan now says there's a trade position to explode past 900%. And he wants to show you exactly the secret line and how you can identify it. What could be better than that? Click on the link below to watch Adam's urgent video on the next stock that's ready to skyrocket. Do it now. Don't procrastinate. Time is important right now.